Hi, this is Christina Liebler, Low Vision Assistive Technology Coordinator with Allied Instructional Services. Today, I'm going to talk to you about inserting a hyperlink that's accessible with a screen reader into pretty much any kind of project that you might be working on. So this is a key command shortcut that works on both Windows-based platforms as well as Google. So in PowerPoint, Word, Google Docs, Slides, this is a great way to add an accessible hyperlink to your project. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. This is a Google Doc that I have up. I'm going to hold the control button and tap the K. And what you get is a text box that allows you to include your own text as well as the URL that will go with that text. So I have already copied the URL for a CVI friendly alphabet video with Roman word bubbling. So I'm going to call that CVI alphabet with word bubbling. And then I'm going to paste the link into the text box. So I'm going to do Control V and apply. And what you end up with is it's in blue lettering, which is what indicates that it's a link, and it's underlined. And it says CVI alphabet with word bubbling. That is what would come up as a description for that link for somebody using a screen reader. And when you hover over that, you can click on it and it will take you directly to the CVI video that I've referenced. I'm going to show you this also in a Word document. This is a Word document. I've actually, when I was practicing, I had already inserted it there, but what I'm going to do is hold Control, tap K, and our text box that pops up looks a little bit different. There's just a little bit more information on here. However, it's essentially the same. At the top, you're going to add the text that you would like the screen reader to read. So we're going to put in CVI alphabet video with word bubbling. And then we are going to paste the URL with Control V, and we are going to apply that. And what you get is the exact same thing we did in our Google document. It's a hyperlink that says CVI alphabet video with word bubbling. And it's going to let the person using a screen reader know what this link is and what to expect when they click on the link. I hope that you found this video to be useful for you and for your students. If there's anything that you would like to learn more about, I am very interested in being able to help provide some short instructional videos for you that may benefit you. So feel free to email me at cliebler@ais-llc.com and send me any ideas that you have for things that you would like to see more videos about. Thank you and have a wonderful week.